Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, a channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, bell notification lit, and share the live stream, everybody. Yes, it's going to be another crypto giveaway show. And I got to warn you guys, you want to have this bell notification lit up. I just was talking to some devs, talking to some leads, and there's going to be some more crypto. Now, today we're going to be doing an XPX giveaway, but word on the street, I've been talking to some people. We're going to be doing some more giveaways, everybody. So it's very important that you guys have that bell notification lit at all times. And obviously you guys can see I'm going live in the morning. I'm going live in your afternoon. I'm going live at a moment's notice, everybody. The markets go everywhere, okay? So, hey, headed over to YouTube to watch. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate you, Scotty. Yeah, we got Myro up in here. You know, some things coming even with Myro. Some of the projects, man. I want to do something special for everybody. Like, honestly, I don't want to leave anybody behind. As anybody who doesn't want to be left behind, I don't want to leave them behind. But if you want to be left behind, you know, that's on you, everybody. Now, we're over here doing some things. Bitcoin scaring everybody. Some people, they're not scared. People like me, you guys know when the markets are fearful, we're printing. And that's what we've been doing on a daily basis. And I want to let you guys know, I want to be clear. I want to show you guys some of my trades and give you guys the understanding of like futures trading, right? The type of trading that I'm doing, because I know you guys see me, you know, posting some good gains, right? We see the XPX card. Let me show you that really quick. Right? Oh my God. And we're going to get to XPX, everybody. We're right here. Oh my God. Oh, some more XPX? What? At the gas? Filling up the Lambo? Oh my God, everybody. Yes. But, you know, we see some gains being made over here, and I want to be transparent with these gains, right? Shout out to Myro, the Myro fan club. We got some special things coming. Been tapped in with NFT Maniac, and we're going to be doing some things for Myro over here. I mean, nobody's going to be able to take away. I know when I find a solid project, they can go up, they can go down, but I won't let a solid community go no matter what. Like, you know, Feg Token being part of my story is one of those examples that no matter what happened on the market, I just knew where we were going with Feg Token and what it was delivering behind the scenes, everybody. Make sure you guys get your communities up in here. But I want to talk about these trades real quick and show you guys some of my trades, how, you know, I'm jumping in and out a little bit of hot potato during these trades. And for numbers sake, okay? This is for numbers sake, all right? Let me see how I can break it down for you guys. All right, make sure you guys register, all right? Get the free bonuses so you guys can practice. Don't put too much of your own money in there. Just go through the motions, and I'm going to help you guys out. But I want to show you guys how I'm doing a lot of this gap and gold trading and how some all the way from my last trade and been extremely up all the way on this trade. But that's not the type of trading that I'm doing. I've learned a lot with, you know, trading futures that I don't want no black swan event. I don't want it to be when I'm sleeping that something happens, right? So I want to be transparent with you guys also, you know, that I'm doing some hot potato trades. This is high frequency trading. But let's say you had 5 to 10 grand, depending on how much you want to put in there. Obviously, you know, I got a little bit of bear market PTSD when, you know, Celsius and all these other exchanges. Now, I've been using BYD-Fi since the end of the bear market, right before it ended, and everything's been good. And they're legal in the United States, in Canada, which a lot of other ones are not. You know, a lot of them already have been banned. So this one's, you know, they got all their paperwork, all their documentation. So it's really safe to have a decent amount of money in there and not be worried. But I'd be steering you guys wrong if I told you guys to have all your capital on the CEX. That's not what you guys do, right? Now, if I had a lot more capital, I could probably make a lot more money, but that's not the main thing right now. I want to show you guys some of these trades and how essentially I could have been holding down here and I could have held all the way up here, but there's no way you're going to catch me leaving my money in a trade when anything can happen, right? When you're doing these trades, this is what it looks like, everybody. I'm coming from the downside of the blue side of the chart. You see this moving average? That is the 99 moving average, and I'm layering that with my trades on TradingView, right? With my chart on TradingView. I want to show you guys a couple of these trades to give you guys a couple of examples of how this stuff goes. And you know, sometimes these trades are pretty insane. So this is one that I had to hold through right here. You can see I still sold in profit, but essentially that was a tough trade. And if you get busy, that happens. I want to be transparent on this trade right here that, you know, I bought in right here, took a couple of trades. Sometimes within that same candle, I can make profit. The same candle that I bought in, by the time that candle closes, I can take some profits and let the rest of it ride, right? Some decent profits. But if you put, let's say, 5 grand, 10 grand in, you only want to trade with about 10% of that. I don't care what amount you're really putting in. Let's talk about like percentage, right? You only want to put a certain percentage. So your liquidation price is so low that even if, let's say, you had to do something, which I don't suggest you do, what you would do is, you know, you wouldn't have to worry so much. But if your liquidation price, if you get into a trade right here, let's say this trade right here, this is a perfect example, 54,000. and you are over leveraged and your liquidation price is, let's say we got in at 54,000 and our liquidation price is 50,000, 53,000, you would have got out right there. But I can survive these dips while, you know, maybe I'm doing a live stream, maybe I'm doing something to get these profits, these gains up here from this dip right here. I knew it was going to go up. It was oversold. It just, sometimes the markets do these things. And that's why you got to have a large cushion right there where you don't have to worry. Right now, all the way out this trade, I get back into the trade because it breaks over the blue line, the 99 moving average, and it's usually pretty bullish when it does that. Now, right, I bought in, hot potato selling. I sold the top of that and I exited. Why? Look at what happened right after that. When I exit this trade, notice that I exit before the dump. How did I exit before the dump? What is telling me that I should sell before all this comes down? Well, that's when I'm coming over here and I'm looking at this Williams percentage, everybody. This Williams percentage has literally not only kept my nose above the water during the bear market, but let me come up and get out the water, right? I was just, you know, I felt like I was drowning at some points. But the reason that I had front run the market, that the markets were going to pull back, was because my Williams percentage already told me that it was overbought. Now, since I'm looking at it on the 1 minute chart, I'm trading it on the 1 minute chart. Once it's overbought, like with no feelings, I just get out, right? And you can see that right there. I got out prior to, let's scoot back a little bit. I got out prior to the actual pullback that was going to happen. That's because on the Williams percentage, it was extremely overbought, and there was only one direction that it could go, right? It has to go oversold. What goes up must come down. What goes down must go up. What just showed up is now leaving, and what just left is now showing up. It's this infinity sign that's going on over and over and over and over. Now, technically, I could have held from this buy all the way down here, not sold any of this, and rode this way up and sold way up here. Now, did I know that was going to happen? No, I didn't know that was going to happen. Nobody knows. Okay, so if anybody's telling you that they know exactly, I don't know, right? Because you can't buy the ultimate bottom and you can't sell the ultimate top. And you can see that right there. So I got out. Fine. I got busy doing whatever I'm going to do. I get another trade opportunity here. I'm not sure what I was doing. Obviously, this is where I would have took another trade right here. You can see that this trend came down and now it's breaking back above this blue line, and this would have been a nice little trend trade right here, but that's not what happened. I'm over here now. Nonetheless, you see Bitcoin spike low like this, that's an easy signal. That's easy money sitting on the table. So I buy because, of course, Bitcoin spiked really low, and I know that it's going to break past the blue line now because it was oversold on the Williams percentage. It pulled back drastically on, you know, a CEX chart. So I bought in, selling hot potato, sold all of this up here at the top. That was the last trade right there. Why? Because it's overbought on the Williams percentage. Now I'm going to wait for this same setup again. I'm going to wait for this to curl all the way back down, which might be a price at around 55 and a half. Anywhere up in here, this 55 and a half zone might be really good. Somewhere in this range right here, right across right here. It could be a little bit higher because the markets are kind of bullish. But no matter what, I would wait for this blue line to already have come down a little bit and that it looks like it wants to start to curl back up. And that's why these trades, a lot of times people show you like the magic part, right? But they don't show you sometimes these trades take it could take a day, it could take 2 days, even though this is the 1 minute chart for it to set up. Now, this trade that I'm going to take later on is most likely going to take a few hours for it to set up, because if Bitcoin breaks back out right here, I don't want that trade. This is already in the FOMO area. I want it to be where it feels like, oh, shucks, like, you know, all bummed out like this right here. And then I take these trades, okay? When the markets are fearful, I'm not touching grass. I'm taking trades, everybody, okay? So it's really important that you wait for a structure to break down and that you take advantage of that when it's broken. Don't do it when everybody's going, woo! Notice the overall sentiment today, this morning, it's all bullish, bullish, bullish. When did the smart money come in? When everybody was bummed out. I need you guys to reverse your philosophy just for this bull run. Just switch up your play just for this bull run. You'll thank me so much that if you switch around, that when the markets are, when the markets are greedy, you be fearful. I'm fearful up here. I'm out. I'm good. It can curl back around, but this is such an overbought area. I'm going to wait a second. Now, Bitcoin can just say, hey, Rico, I don't care what you're saying. I'm going to 60K from right here, because we are talking about Bitcoin. The markets are extremely volatile and nobody has Miss Cleo's crystal ball, okay? And I'm not trying to pretend like I do. I just know that when the market's really oversold, my profit percentage is through the roof. So I'm going to wait for everybody to get bummed out. We're seeing it break down again. We might see a stop right here at 55.8. That might be a good area. This one most likely is nice because I like prior resistance right here, becoming the future support. So, you know, if it curled back down right here, boop, and it coincided with this old top over here, to me, that's very bullish, and then we'll bounce off of that and ride back up. But we're going to let it come down a little bit, everybody. So you want to be able to be patient for these market structures and wait for these entries, everybody. Make sure you take advantage of the Money Bags Mansion link down below. If you're listening over on X, make sure you come over to YouTube. You subscribe to the channel for the giveaways. We got a giveaway today. We already have that's a smart strategy. Absolutely. I mean, oversold is where it's at. And this 99 moving average, I mean, it's pretty solid. Wait till it's down here. Don't worry. Watch. You'll see people come down here, and it'll turn right back around. I mean, you can see constant trades. Now, all my trades are not perfect. I showed you where I bought in, and it still dipped a little bit lower. But because I have enough capital, I'm not using all of my money to take a trade. Remember, you want to have your liquidation price. This is the trick right here. You come to the daily chart. Your liquidation price on your trade should be nowhere above 50K. If you are above 50K your liquidation price, you're over leveraged. Okay. Now I'm using 47X on this trade. Appreciate the super chat. MSI, salute Rico. Yes, man. We're going to bring up MSI. We're going to bring everybody up. Appreciate the super chats. It helps, you know, YouTube want to promote the channels more because they get a cut of it. And so I appreciate all the super chats. It makes YouTube feel all good and stuff like that. Right. So appreciate the super chats, and goes towards the algorithm, man. I really appreciate it. So we got this right here. On the daily chart, we know that Bitcoin's oversold. But even though it's oversold, we know that crazy things like this can happen. That's why no matter what, my liquidation price stays underneath, at the very least, 50K. And I've done a couple trades where I'll be honest with you guys, it's around 45K. And that's still kind of close, but, you know, there's no risk, no reward, everybody. That's just how it goes. Now, an easy trade you can just chill on. If it was at 40 or 36K your liquidation, you could just ride Bitcoin to hit all new highs, everybody. Rico, do you feel like Bonk is still a good buy and hold? It is, but, you know, the upside potential is going to take a while for it to get there. Like, you could probably flip, you know, whatever money you have inside of Bonk a lot faster than something else than you can hold in Bonk, right? Like, once they get into those billion-dollar market caps, you have to have a bag in there, right? Because it's basically in 2x territory. That's it, right? It can 2x, it can 3x. It lost the 10x and 100x stuff, right? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we go to a $10 trillion market cap, which I think maybe at the peak bull run we can get to, which is like super bullish. But anything over a $5 trillion market cap would be really good, which is, you know, basically a nice little 3x from a lot of stuff that we got right now. We got Crow and Knife pulling up. What's up? What's up, everybody? We got 69 people pulling up strong. Let's go, everybody. Crow and Knife. Appreciate everybody pulling up. We got 69 people up in here right away. Very nice. Let's get to that triple digit so we can shill everybody's bag. Just wanted to show you guys a couple of trades. Be transparent with you guys as far as, you know, buying on the dip. This is how you guys do it when the markets are, you know, fearful. This is when you get in. And don't get back in just because it does a little quick right away. Like, I usually don't like to take these. I wanted to feel where it took when it takes the oomph out of everybody. That's usually a nice trade, everybody. All right. So overall crypto market cap just at $2 trillion market cap. Market somewhat turning around. We see some green in the market. You can kind of feel it. Let's be honest, right? You can kind of feel the overall sentiment feels a little bit better. And what's crazy is that we're at 56K. We're lower than we were, you know, days ago, about a week ago when we were closer to 60. And you can tell that it kind of feels a little bit better today. And that's because, hey, we're over 2 trillion. We're not at that 1.93 no more. And Bitcoin's not touching 50, right? So you can see how we get grateful really, really fast, everybody. So BTC looking great. As usual, right now we're under oversold. So we're going to have a lot of great green trades coming up for Bitcoin, which, you know, if you want to swing trade it and not do the style that I'm doing, this high frequency trading, you can put an amount right here. It doesn't really matter where because it's so oversold that you can put a nice amount and just hold it until it got overbought again. Okay. Now I like to trade like this and take my money off the table because that's how I did it during the bear market. And some may like that, some may not, but nonetheless, it works. I can do this every single day, if not every other day, because maybe sometimes I'm busy or something and I got to wait for the setup to happen. And maybe that day passes and I'll just do it on the next day. Okay. So, but really, really, if I choose to, and I just wait right here nonstop, I can, nonstop, basically. It's all about risk management and keeping your FOMO in check, everybody. So Appreciate the whole XPX community. Amazing power hour earlier today. Everybody going really strong. We had a lot of people making X posts. We got people going hard over here on CMC. I want to step this up over here because I mean these numbers are absolutely amazing. And when we make a lot of posts over here on CMC, what happens is other communities start to come over here and they want to get our attention, but really we're getting their attention. So we got the latest post from XPX. You guys see the card in there with big things. You can fly with your XPX cards. You can do whatever you want in IRL with XPX, everybody. That's what it's all about, everybody. So it's all about that call. Let's go, man. Pull up, everybody. We're looking good. We got 78 people. We're about to break into that triple digit. Shout out to Feg Token. Shout out to the dev team. Shout out to the alien. Shout out to, even RTR. I was talking to him today and absolutely amazing. We got some things coming up for you guys. Obviously the team, they get busy behind the scenes doing stuff. And I know that we are doing those Feg Fridays and these basically AMAs on the weekend, but let's just say that they're right around the corner and they'll be coming with a little bit more oomph on them as well. So make sure that you guys are tuned in. Doing my best to bring you guys, the latest and greatest, which I always do. I'm always, bringing you guys the latest and greatest, whatever's fresh off the press, and also adding some more exposure to our bags, but also trying to get some crypto into your guys' portfolio. So very important that we do over and beyond, right? I lose sleep thinking about the person that's grinding harder than me. Like what? He's out there trying to go harder than me. What? Putting in the overtime on the overtime. There's no way, right? It's like I need every single piece of this. And we see that we got XPX at 62.4% staked, everybody. 62.4% staked. We have a lot of new buys coming in, new wallets coming in, people loading up and staking it right away. I mean, passive income. You can see how passive income is being really highlighted when market conditions are really rough. And we're going to see that on a regular basis. Whenever the markets pull back, people are going to feel safe in a utility play like this one right here, XPX, the project that I launched on Smart DeFi. You guys get to see me every single day. You guys know that I leak a little bit of alpha here and there, give you guys some hints of what's going on. But we're building an amazing project right here, twice audited contract, twice audited staking platform, people making passive income. Absolutely amazing. A lot of things were official today. Today's like another birthday for XPX essentially. But guys, ladies and gents, now it's the phase where we start to work on the portal and moving forward with, everybody getting their Visa and MasterCard, their prepaid cards where they can use on their phone and stuff like that. And then we're going to be rolling out some more things. There's going to be catalyst after catalyst. And you guys, what did I miss? Not much, Mr. Mo. You're still good. I'm still doing my rants. You guys know how it goes, but we're barely on XPX. We're showing everybody some trades on BYD-Fi. You guys will see some of the trades I'll show you in a minute, but right here, we're looking good. We're looking good. Staking platform, lending platform, really, really exactly everything that you would want in a project. IRL, use case, and I mean, amazing platform to go with XPX. I mean, what more would you really ask for than a project like this? And now a community that's getting so strong on CMC, on CG, of course, exchange listings down the road. Don't worry about those right now. Worry about this opportunity right now. Top up now, XPX Visa cards. Soon the whole world will be able to experience their crypto. That's very important to me that you guys understand that I've been in cryptocurrency for a while, everybody, for a while. And, I've been working from home since 2017, getting paid a lot in crypto since, since the last bull run, since about 2020, 2021. And that was one of the hardest things is I could have all this crypto, but it was really hard to experience and use my crypto. Well, those days are long gone. We got XPX right here holding it down for you guys. You guys do not want to miss out on this. Nice. I like this. Look at this right here. I mean, you guys can see me taking flight and looking over all of Las Vegas and, going to the famous Philly cheesesteak place here in Las Vegas that I love. Pops is the best one. I don't care what nobody says. The line speaks for itself. Fill up your Lambo. Let me see. Let me get the other picture because that looks cool as well. Let me give you guys a little bit more of what's going on over here. Show you guys what's up, right? We're doing big stuff over here, everybody. This is just what's going on, everybody, right? Like let's fly over. What's going on here? Let's fly over Las Vegas and show them how we're going to do this, right? Let's go through all the motions and show them like, hey, we want to experience our crypto. On what level do you want to experience your crypto? Well, above all of Las Vegas, everybody. While everybody was touching grass, I was in the sky, okay? Took a helicopter ride over Las Vegas, went on a to go have some dinner, went out to have some Philly cheesesteaks, went to go put some gas, whatever you got to do, everybody. That's what you can do. You can do whatever you guys want to do with your crypto Visa cards that XPX is providing. This is just the start, everybody. We're much more than just an off-ramp. We're a merchant solutions as well, Web3 marketplace. All these things are coming, and we're going to get a lot of people to use our pickaxes and shovels, which this is a golden pickaxe, everybody. You guys don't want to miss out. I wish I had a little clip for you guys. Let me see what else I got for you guys. Stay tuned. Let me see what else I got for you guys. I mean, this is next level stuff. I mean, let me see what taking flight. You guys see me over here. And by the way, I shout out to Next Level Cash, which brother, I'm sure you're all pumped up about this. I was in this helicopter and I had the doors off. We were in the air with the doors off. I have some video for you guys in the next coming days. I'm going through it, and obviously you guys see me posting some trades. I'm busy with some, I don't want to say busy. I like to say I'm being productive with stuff with XPX behind the scenes, but I'm going through some of this content so you guys can see what's up. But essentially, you know, flew over Las Vegas with no doors on the helicopter, and just to show everybody what's up, man. Caw, best bird, time to flip Brett next, and then we go for top 25. Nice, man. That Mr. Dude, cool way to write it, man. I like that, man. Next Level Cash in here, crypto, Crow with Knife, Peter, everybody up in here, man. Loving this, everybody. I see Chris Angel on top of the Luxor. Nice. Oh my God. Nice. I love that. Yep. Yeah, and flew over Las Vegas, man. No doors on it. A lot of fun. That's how you got to live life. You got to experience. Doors off, bags packed. You already know, bro. You already know. Scare money don't make money, so definitely got to go through it like that. We got Crypto Shay. I mean, watching us on check this out. He almost has as many screams as me. Nice. Loving it, Crypto Shay. Loving this right here. This is what it's all about, man. Taking over my smart TV with all the smart DeFi knowledge. That's what's up, man. You know, XPX has been doing stuff not just great for crypto, but also great for smart DeFi. Like, I'm here to show it off to the world, everybody. We have a staking platform that's paying everybody nonstop. We have a real scalable, sustainable model that's, I mean, built right now. Next, we go into this full-blown, next phase of creating the portal for everybody. And I want to do a helicopter ride to EDC one day. Nice, man. I'm going to do another helicopter ride because that was so much fun. So stay tuned for that. And guess how I'm going to pay for that? I'm going to use my XPX card. I got some more pictures. I even got a picture of the girl where I was paying at. She's holding the card, and that's going to give you guys a taste of what's going to happen when people touch the card. For some reason, it gets people giggity, everybody. That's just what happens. Not everybody has a gold medal card walking around. And yes, it does start it's a conversation starter, man. And it says, people ask, what is this? She asked me, as I got somebody recording, I was like, this is the project that I launched, and I'm actually paying for all of this with my crypto Visa card right now. She was like, wow, you're the first person to pay for all of this with a crypto Visa card. And that's just to show you guys, that is just the start, everybody. That is just the start. Okay. Nice. I get paid every time that card gets swiped. Everybody's going to get paid. Every time money gets put into this ecosystem, that money is going to get put right back into our chart, right back into our development, right? That's, you guys have my word on that. That's all we're going to do is just build this and build this and build this and build this. And so we're sitting at multi-million-dollar market caps. And so this whole ecosystem's operating and providing passive income for everybody on steroids. Right now, this is passive income. It's not even on steroids, everybody. This passive income, this is not passive income on steroids, everybody. This is passive income on a project that's not even 3 months old. So you want to have something in your portfolio that when the bear market sneaks up on everybody, because it is going to sneak up on everybody. If you're not subscribed to the channel with a bell notification, most likely it's going to sneak up on you. But if you are, you'll be pretty good. Don't let it sneak up on you. And if it does, XPX has you covered, because I can only imagine what this bag is going to look like when the bear market comes around and we see all kinds of volume coming in, the whole euphoric feeling of people coming into the crypto space. You do not want to sleep on this. Diverse Flames typeset at the same time as I say, do not sleep on XPX, everybody. So we got 87 people. We're going to be doing a giveaway. Who did all pull up first? Let me check. We got Myro in here. Let me see. We got OG Brett pulled up first, man. I like to do things fair and square. Then we got the Vote Army. Then we got Crow and Knife. So I want to do things fair. Then we got Kendu pulling up. Then MSI. So let's see if I can keep track with that. We got Let's go ahead and start off with OG Brett, everybody. We'll bring up OG Brett first. XPX chart looking absolutely amazing. I'm gonna let you guys know, as you can see that I made some profit. I still haven't pulled some of you guys can front run me, the dev, because every day or every other day I make some profits. I pull it off of BYDFi and I start a new wallet, maybe for my mom, maybe for somebody else, maybe just another wallet to hold, maybe just to keep buying pressure going on no matter what. Somebody sells, I buy. You sell, I'll buy. And not every day, but every other day or maybe every couple days, I pull some of this off. So you guys can front run that right now, because I don't care what the price of XPX is. Every couple days, every few days, whenever I get a chance, when I'm not being too productive, I'll pull money off the CEX, and I'll snatch up another BNB, or snatch up a half a BNB, or 0.2 of a BNB, whatever it might be, maybe 3 wallets, and do that, and just keep holding and snatching up positions. That's going to continue to happen nonstop. So it's up to you where you want to grab a position, but that's not going to stop, everybody. All right. So right here, the chart's looking good. We're curling it right back to 600K, looking fantastic. The buy wall, you have to put some respect on it, everybody. And I'm going to have more marketing materials coming very, very soon. I'm going to do more IRL stuff. So we got more stuff to post and let everybody see that we are the first project to bring real utility to Smart DeFi. And I'm very excited about that. I'll be lying if I said I wouldn't be all proud about that, right? I'm very excited about that, to have a legit project, representing XPX, but at the same time representing the technology behind XPX, the staking protocol that's paying everybody. Like, we got to be happy about that. We don't got to go to no third-party place, go, trust somebody else. It's all right here, audited contracts back to back, everybody. Get in where you fit in, everybody. This will be one of those plays that, and also use this link right here to get your BNB. Don't tell me you don't know how to get BNB. You didn't know how to get Solana. You didn't know how to get Base. You didn't know how to do all these things. Do not make excuses. Make progress, okay? That's all I'm saying. Don't make excuses. Make progress. Right now, snatch up some BNB while it's on a discount. The prices have pulled back, and snatch up some XPX and stake it. Or don't. And watch when we're at 1 million, 2 million. At what point do you get tired of coming to the show? Is it at $5 million market cap? Is it at $10 million market cap? $15 million market cap? At one point, do you say, I messed up? Because although we might be at a $10 million market cap, that does not account for all the gains that people made through staking. That's the thing that we haven't had. We've been in degen mode for so long that people forgot about staking protocols. People forgot about passive income. So yeah, we'll get to a 10x real easy, but that doesn't take into account all the trading volume that happened and all the passive income. So that 10x might be a 12x for you, might be a 13x, depending on how much volume, because of all the staking rewards that you're receiving, everybody. That is amazing right there, okay? So let's start off with OG Brett. We're almost at 100 people. We got 82 people. We'll get there. We'll get some giveaways going. And you know what? I know it's a later show. We usually get a lot more numbers during the AM because we have the UK guys tuning in at the same time. But hey, I'm deving behind the scenes. We got to do this. We got to dev and print at the same time, everybody. We got to dev and print at the same time. All right, so we got OG Brett, $5 million market cap. Pull up OG Brett. And then let me see who we got next. We got OG Brett. We got MSI. And then the Volt, MSI. Then we got Volt, Myro. We're going to pull everybody up. Amazing. That purple Gatorade is amazing. All right, we got 86 people tuning in. Let's go. OG Brett holding above that 5 million. Let's keep holding above that 5 million. Let's keep holding there and hold that market structure right there. This nice little uptrend. There is an uptrend right here. We could still hold that and turn that around, especially now that the markets are starting to turn around a tad bit. It's probably going to be a little bit more consolidation. So don't worry if you see a little bit more consolidation on your chart as well, because I know we're getting close to that, that pump era, but historically September is not that good of a month for Bitcoin. We are oversold on the daily chart, but I would feel more comfortable just saying that there's going to be a little bit more consolidation going on, just a tad bit more, maybe a sneak up to even 60K. There could be like a little peak up here because we're so oversold. And when Bitcoin is oversold on the Williams percentage, we have a nice run up. Last time we were oversold, we came down to 54K and we went up to 65,000. So there is a trade right here that Bitcoin can do that. Now, maybe it'll do that and consolidate a little bit more before we actually break out. But there's still going to be that little pump. Over here, we are down to 53,000, and we rode all the way up to 70,000. So we're in that same range where Williams percentage oversold, daily chart we're oversold, and it's about to turn around. So although I know we're going to have that little upside, I still think that there's going to be a little bit more consolidation in the market. And maybe there's not, right? But I just want to prepare you guys for maybe just a little bit more consolidation. That just gives you a little bit more opportunity to snatch up your favorite plays before, you know, a lot of money starts to step in. And we'll see, you know, ETH prices go up. And when ETH prices go up, OG Brett's price will also go up, everybody. Remember, sometimes some of these red candles that are printed on your chart does not come from the selling. It's actually coming from the wrapped native coin that you're wrapped to. It's pulling down, so it pulls your price down. So on the chart, it'll print a red candle, okay? So keep that in mind and educate people in the space. Let me like and retweet this. OG Brett, the godfather of ETH. Ooh, making them offer or make them an offer you can't refuse, right? Sounds good. We got OG Brett doing good. Next on the show, we actually have, it was, I want to be fair, pulling up. We got OG Brett. Then it was MSI actually pulled up. And then we have Crow and Knife and then some Myro. Okay, right there. So let's go ahead. Keeping this one above 5 mil keeps you in the running for that $10 million talk. When we get to over 10, you guys know we go 15, 20, 25, and so forth. Underneath 5, people start saying that, hey, maybe I'm going to wait for a lower price, right? We want to keep buyers' conviction up and making people feel like, hey, they might miss out on something. That's the whole FOMO idea, right? So keep that in mind, everybody. Let's see it consolidate right here. Will be healthy and pump right back up when the rest of the markets do. Next, we have MSI right here pulling back. I'm still bullish on this community. As you guys can see, this community pulls up every single day for every single live stream. So that's what you got to invest in a lot of the times. Not so much the name, although this name is very provoking, and it's also 3 narratives, and it's degen, right? It's part of the space. Monkey Inu deserves to be inside of the space, everybody. It really deserves to be in the realm of degen stuff. This is it right here, right? So this community can turn this thing back around if it continues to consolidate. Obviously, you don't want to see this thing lose any where it's underneath $1 million market cap. That would be really, really tough. And I don't think that it will. I honestly believe that they're squeezing everybody out. Redistribution is happening. When this one gets back over 5 mil, which it almost really did, you're going to see a little bit more FOMO come in. Obviously, when we got up there, we still had some people holding that want to get shooken out. So it kind of comes with the with this little shakeout moment where you go up and you think it's kind of over, and there's a couple wallets that need to get shooken out a little bit more. Don't lose hope. Keep grinding and shake them all the way out, and you'll see it start to step back up and get up in there, okay? So make sure you guys tapped in all the way as well. So MSI, to me, this community is still looking good. So as long as they keep pulling up, keep going through the motions, I don't see why not. You know, now that everybody's shooken out, they just keep adding to it and letting this thing pump right back up. You guys got to remember that ETH was worth a lot more when it actually came out. So when ETH pumps back up, this one will probably go right with it, okay? Next, we have Crow with Knife, everyone. Crow with Knife. Caw-caw. Let's go, everybody. The cringiest caw in the world, everybody. But, you know, although I know it's cringy and I shouldn't be making that sound, I love crypto so much, and I love what I do so much that it's like, I think it's okay. I think that cringe is okay, because when you can print off of a Crow with Knife, off cryptocurrency, it's like, I don't care what you think about me. I can go caw all I want, right? I can do what I want, right? So let's go ahead and refresh this. And then next we got Myro, and then we're going to kind of freestyle from there on out, get to 100 people. It's very important that we get all the way up to 100, everybody. Let's get everybody up in here. Let me check the chat. Everybody pulling up strong. XPX is where you want to be. Absolutely. After a while, I don't even think it's cringe. But see, you got to think, you don't even think that it's cringe, but it's still a possibility, right? It's all good, bro. It's cringy to me, but it's all good. It's not that serious, but it's funny to me. But you know what? It's supposed to be a little bit funny, the stuff we do in this space. It's cryptocurrency, everybody. The feds are mad. You know, they lost. We're bridging to base and Solana and BNB. Absolutely amazing. You know, getting everybody's attention is really good because it's going to bring exposure. And obviously, we don't want somebody else coming out with it on those chains, right? We got 91 people. Very nice, everybody. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Make sure you guys stay tapped in at Crow_with_Knife, everybody. Chart's looking good. been consolidating for a while. I mean, nobody in Crow with Knife should be really that surprised, right? We talked about it a while back. It wasn't like I was saying Crow with Knife, and I say it every time because I need to remind people sometimes. And we got new subscribers. We got the channel's picking up. Share this channel, everybody. This channel is your bag. This channel is essentially your bag. Okay, so share it on your Facebook. Don't care what people think. Share it on your TikTok. You know, when you're on the beach with a coconut and an umbrella on there, they're not going to be there. They're not going to be there. So make sure that you're doing this. All right. But we suspected consolidation because we suspected the rest of the markets to consolidate, everybody. So, you know, we've been here before. We understand what's going on. And this project's actually holding really well, considering, you know, how bad a lot of other projects had to kind of pull back. Considering the pullback on this one, it's not as bad as, you know, a lot of people have to go through right now. If we're just being 100% transparent, if we're being 100% honest, like we like to be on the channel, because integrity is everything, everybody. So a lot of other projects have pulled back a lot more, and this one's has not had to pull back as much. Did it pull back? Yeah, because everything pulled back, right? So right now we're in that consolidation phase. Let's keep consolidating. Let's keep doing what we're doing. Remember that, you know, this is on crypto.com, and most likely when, you know, all these normies and retail comes in, they're going to download, you know, basically Coinbase, and they're going to download crypto.com, and they're going to snatch up this cool looking meme that is called Crow with Knife, everybody. I got a knife on my desk because of this thing. All right. So what's up, Ladybug XPX? Let's go. I mean, I swear, let's go. We're doing our thing. If you guys all can tell, we kind of I've stepped out and came from behind the Freedom Station to you know, get some more stuff up there, and it's for a reason, everybody. It's for a reason. Okay, respect to the daily Crow with Knife talk. Absolutely. I'm always going to be here for Crow with Knife. I know what's up. Like I can't fade a community. Now the community can fade me. Anybody can fade me if they want to. But as far as me seeing that puzzle piece, like that's what Crow with Knife has to understand. That Crow with Knife was a puzzle piece for the bull run for me. You know, it let me know that it was ignited because I found a community that was, you know, writing in my chat upside down. You know, so that's a sign right there when you get a community to pull up and start making you laugh and go through all this stuff, right? So very nice. Let's bring up Myro next, and then we're going to talk about Vote Inu, everybody. We got XPX has been a dream investment. No sweating here. Absolutely. That's one thing that, I mean, I've been moving a lot of my Solana money into just DCA anytime I can into XPX. Of course, I got a bag when it first launched, but I don't care about the price. I just keep loading up. There's no way that I would look at it. There's so many X's and so much upside potential on XPX. It's ridiculous. So I don't care of the price. I just keep getting more and more. It is what it is. 49ers tonight. Okay, Scotty. Ooh, I like this. I like to see this uptick. And you know what? We got something that we're working on. Look, you guys know that I truly rock with you guys because, I mean, I hit people up to make stuff happen. I want to do something extra for everybody. And, you know, people hit me up, and it's not devs and there's no dollar amounts. And I'm willing to do whatever it takes to help these communities out because I want you guys all to win. It just takes for somebody to say, hey, Rico, you want to meet us halfway and we'll do this and take care of that, help the community out in this way. And I mean, this is what I do. So I don't say no, right? And we got some things coming right around the corner because we're ready to ignite this Myro mania again, right? I want some Myro mania into space because to me, that's a nice little, we got Koi too, man. That's a nice Tron play. We got some nice, you know, mania from this good boy Myro. And I think the good boy is here to stay, everybody. I want the good boy to be here to stay. So we got some things coming to step it up over here and make sure that we're pushing this really hard. Getting the community back engaged. I think that's what we want. That's what we need. And it's okay to say that. What should I do? Should I ignore it or should I say, hey, let's get everybody together and see what we can do? I'm willing to put in the legwork, put in the hours. Is anybody else willing to do that with me? And that's really what it comes down to. And that's how I test a lot of waters to know where I should be as far as being positioned into a project fully. And I want this good boy Myro. I believe that the good boy Myro is $1 billion project. They've been working on the Cypher app for a while. And I'm sure when it's probably full-blown bull run, they'll probably release that Cypher app, which is a SocialFi app, which we can tell that it's going to be the future of things, everybody. That's just the way that everything's going to be. It's going to be the future. So we reached over 104 people. Very nice, everybody. Loving the way the stream is going. Let me check some things out. Making sure that you guys are subscribed. Don't want you guys missing out on these gains. We got some massive giveaways actually right around the corner that we're going to be giving away. Right now we're doing some small amounts of XPX, but I want you guys to get this XPX, stake this XPX, grow this XPX, and join us on this journey, right? We're giving you that foot in the door because we're such a low market cap that if I gave you too much of that, when we're at 10 million, man, what? But let's check out Vote Inu. I'm going to be very excited when I see this one get back over $100 million market cap. And it's going to be also a good example of how that $100 million market cap psychological barrier ignites that FOMO, that pumping, almost like people can't sit still, right? Right now, everybody's like, what's going on? Is it going to happen? What's the problem? Blah, 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 blah. But you know what? Honestly, watch when we get back over 100 million. Watch how everybody comes back like they never left, right? I don't trust this pump, but I will accept. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Let's bring up Vote. Next Level Cash is dialed in. Next Level Cash is dialed in. You got to be dialed in to be called Next Level Cash. So yeah, that's why I suspect a little bit more consolidation. But you know what? They might trick us. Next Level Cash. The markets might want to say, you know what? Next Level Cash and Rico Moneybags don't know diddly squat. Even though historically September's a bad month for Bitcoin, you know, I'm going off of data. You know, sometimes the data gets mixed up. Everybody, I'm not always going to be right, but who knows? I'm not going to be mad at if the markets want to prove me and Next Level Cash wrong and say, you know what? Forget that. We're never going to be able to say that September is a bad month for crypto, and it flies. My bags are positioned good, so I'm not going to be crying about it. You know, I'm good. I'm more than good, and I'm going to keep being good. And if everybody's tapped in with me, you guys will as well. You guys will see during this whole journey. I got you guys, whether you're tapped in with me all the way with XPX or you guys just want to sit on the sidelines and watch us grow. But, you know, with some of this futures trading, I'm going to give a lot of this game away for you guys. Vote Inu right here. Let's get it back over 15 mil. That 20 mil seems like that psychological barrier. So getting back up there will get some FOMO back into this one. Back over 20 mil is that, did we mess up? Did I sell too much of my vote? And it's in it, man. What I love about this community is this chart, because a lot of people could not bring it back from this. This right here would crush a lot of charts. And you know what? This community said no. The only reason this happened was we launched right when the bear market happened. We almost started to recover, and the bear market said, never mind, going to go back down. And you know what? Look at this. Boom, look at how this action has started. So we're in that zone again. And I remember when I was doing those spaces with Cynthia and started dropping videos on Vote, it's all about getting that umph going again. And we're on an upward trend line for the most part. And then all this market crash kind of took the umph right out of the market, took the umph out of everything. But we got to keep pulling up. I'm invested in this community and the way that they're solid nonstop, right? And I got some special things coming from Vote as well, man. Don't watch. You guys are going to see, you guys are going to be like, wow, he's tapped in with some of the biggest projects in the space. Some of the biggest projects in the space. So I want you guys to stay tapped in with me. The way you can do that, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, everybody. It's very, very important that you guys stay tapped in with me all the way, all right? So let's look at this Bitcoin price. Let's see what's going on. See if we can check out these prices really quick, right? Let's bring it down to the 1 minute chart. We're doing some high frequency trading today. So see how it's breaking out again at that top level? We're not going to mess with that. Let that load up really quick. Let me see. All right. Make sure you guys register, get tapped in with me over here. And we're having it. All right, there we go. And we're having the prices pull back or pump up past that price to kind of tempt you to get back in, but we're just going to wait. We're going to wait. You see it's overbought. I don't want to do that. Let it hit 57. Let it do whatever it's going to do. I'm going to wait for it to pull all the way back, get back oversold, get back underneath that 99 moving average, and then where it's going to break back above so I can ride a trade. This is where I like to get into trades. This is where my last trades were at. So it's important that you guys, you know, wait for these right here, and then we ride these trends all the way up. So this is where FOMO usually gets people and nips them in the bud. Just wait for it, okay? It's going to happen. All right, coming back over here to our DEX trades, our favorite trades. Let's see what we got. Let me go into my thing. I know we got some more projects. Let me see what projects should we talk about. You know what? Let me start collecting hashtags really quick. Let me start collecting hashtags really, really quick. So hashtag XPX, everybody. right now. Hashtag XPX, everybody. Make sure it's capital XPX. Hashtag capital XPX. I'm even gonna do it. Right there we go. Got my entry in. Make sure that you do it as well. Do not sleep on a bag right now. Dude, that's a bad lesson for your subconscious. Don't sleep on a bag like that. See really quick. Okay. Show you guys right here while we're letting these fill up. See how it's still pumping? Still trying to get us to come in. We sold everything over here. There's a nice little pump. It broke back above right here. I don't care. I'm good. Do what you guys got to do. That's the thing. When you get too impatient, you'll get wrecked. They'll play with you, and then right here you'll have to ride something all the way down. I'm gonna wait. Let Bitcoin do what it does. I'm not too worried about the actual price. I'm more worried about the actual setup. The price can be whatever price it can be, because I can do the same trading if Bitcoin's trading between 100K and 120K. I can do the same setup, the same game, no matter what. If you know how to make $100 trading, you know how to make $1,000 trading. You can make $1,000. You can make $10,000. You can make $100,000. It's a game of decimals and having your risk management obviously on point, everybody. But excuse me for coughing on the mic like that. I'm sure it was pretty loud, but let's wait for this breakdown to come back down here. We'll have it. Maybe we'll have it during the stream. Maybe not. If it doesn't happen, then you just wait for it to happen. No matter what, you have to wait for your setup. Don't trade random setups and be experimenting nonstop when you're not even sure. This is a perfect example of how when sometimes you exit in the profit, and I'm talking from experience, everybody, from the last bull run, the bear market, all the stuff that I learned. You'll get out in profit, and then you'll jump back in right where you exited, and then the price. And if the structure was good, we would have did it as well. But for the most part, I'm sure that if somebody jumps back in right here, they're going to get pulled back down here, and you're going to lose some of the profit that you gained all the way up here, and it's going to pull you back, everybody. All right. XPX is up too. We're going to keep going up, man. We're going to keep going up nonstop, everybody. We got Cardano as a future. Cardano's up there. I wish they would move faster on the chart, but people are building on it. They have that little NFT craze, right? Where they're building on Cardano. It's pretty nice. It's just going to take time, everybody. All that stuff's going to take time. We're working on it. XPX. Love that, man. Love that. We got 19 entries so far. If you're listening to this over on X, you have to come over to YouTube and put hashtag XPX, everybody. Hashtag XPX. Do this for your bag. It also helps the algorithm. Do not just sit on the sideline and say that you don't want XPX, the project that pays you just to hold it. You're being paid just to hold it. You're being paid just to hold this. Just to hold it. So you deserve to have at least one thing in your portfolio that pays you on a regular basis. You deserve that, right? You definitely do. XPX, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. 108 people, very nice. Let's go, everybody. 22 people, let's go. That's what I'm liking right there. Mr. Mo, Gene, what's up, man? Everybody pulling up. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. Let's go. We got what? 22 people. That's very nice. Those are good numbers. Good numbers right there. All right, I'm about to pull it. That's about everybody inside this on the YouTube side. If you're listening over on X, I'm going to give you another chance. I know there's a lot of people listening over on X. We got 106 people. Come over to YouTube. This is how StreamYard can read it. So you have to come over to YouTube and put hashtag XPX. You have to do that, everybody, all right? We're watching this as everybody does that. All right, Bitcoin's still pumping. Remember, we wait. You guys are going to see that we're going to have that almost an ugly look like this. When most people go, no, what happened right here? They're going to see this and they're like, no, what happened? I go, yes, it happened. right when that happens and everybody's going, oh no, I'm going, yes, right there. That's too rapid. That's too rapid. There we go. Everybody's pulling up. All right, let's go. We got 26 people. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully you guys made it up in here. Let's go. Pull it. Let's go, everybody. Very exciting. Getting some more holders, some more people into XPX. Who's it going to be? Whoa. Lionheart. Let's go, Lionheart. In order to get your XPX, all you have to do is give XPX a follow. Make sure you're following me. but join the XPX TG right now so I know who you are, and let me know what your TG name is. So like that, nobody tries to trick you. Lionheart, this is the TG you need to join right here. Make sure you're following. Yeah, let's go is right. Make sure you're following XPX on X and tap into the TG on XPX and let me know what your @ handle is. If it's Lionheart as well, then it'd be easy. I'm already in the TG. Blockchain Brawler. Okay, cool. Send me a DM. Let me see. We got some buys coming through as well. Yeah, send me a DM right now, Blockchain Brawler, so I know it's you. That one of the giveaways, people were trying to make that same name or double it up, and I figured out anyways, but I got to it. Blockchain Brawler. All right, cool. You're already in there, so that's awesome. We love new XPX holders. Welcome, absolutely. Everybody's welcome. Come tap in with us. Big things are happening. Big things are happening, everybody. Congratulations to Lionheart. Absolutely. Stake that XPX. Stake it to make it, everybody. We see what the staking protocol can do. And obviously, if you add to it, the more you add to it, the better it is, everybody. But everybody's making passive income. Every single body is making passive income. And this is just the start. I saw somebody post earlier today in the TG, and they said, just posted a message in it. Let me make sure. Let me do this. This part's okay, got you. Okay, cool. Let me send you a message. Okay. Capsule's locked on, so my bad for the caps lock, but nonetheless, I got you in the DM, so we're good to go. After the stream, I'm going to take care of that. Just posted a message. Right. Cool. 105 people. Very, very nice, everybody. What a fantastic giveaway. Fantastic stream. People pulling up. We're seeing the price of a Bitcoin. We're seeing everybody being tested. We're waiting for a dip. I'm trying to see if I can milk it to catch one live to show you guys how it looks, but it's going to look like this. It has to look ugly, everybody. When you see this, this is the moment. Yeah, this is the moment right here to be holding, okay, to get in down here. And we're going to get that moment to pop up. So I want you guys to tap in with the Moneybags Mansion. The link is down below. I'm going to be giving you guys these plays that you guys can take. Make sure you guys tap in with, obviously XPX. Follow us on X. That's been growing. Tap in with us on our Reddit as well, because we have $100 worth of XPX giveaway on our Reddit. All we got to do is get to 100 members, and we're already at 63. So if you have not joined Reddit and came over here and joined us over here, it's very important that you guys do so. So let me grab this, post this right here. Boom, there we go. There we go. Make sure you guys got the TG. I'm going to grab this link again and just post it in there. That's our Reddit. We got another giveaway growing that Reddit power, and everybody engaging on Reddit is very important for all of us at XPX. Every single pioneer, every single trailblazer that we have, we're cutting our own path. While people are touching grass, we're cutting it down. We have to go through all these motions and grow this Reddit. Imagine when our numbers are sitting at 500 Reddit holders or 500 Reddit members, 1,000 Reddit members, and we got Troll King doing Power Hour, and we got the whole community engaging, and we're crushing it on X, we're crushing it on CMC, we're crushing it on all things across the board. Is very exciting, everybody. So I want you guys to pay attention for an entry. Most likely this dip is going to be somewhere down here. I got it marked up already for us. Look around 55, 56K. It's already being oversold a little bit. Keep an eye on it. I'm gonna make sure. Haven't seen that one. Oh yeah, that is Cat and Duck, right? Cuck. Let's pull that one up. Let's pull up a couple more projects since we got 114 people over here. Send my Addy. Thanks again. Can't wait till the 10Xs. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. And it's sitting there on the table. That's what's crazy. It's sitting right there. Let's bring this up right here. I wasn't even sure if I could say that at first. But this is Cat and Duck, everybody, all right? Oh, man, this space is crazy. What's going on here? Okay, there we go. All right, everybody. This is Cat and Duck. Yeah, the Troll King, absolutely. I mean, holding it out, those power hours are, man, super good for the community. I mean, great for XPX, everything that we're doing. And we're here, all of us are here at this beginning stage of XPX. That's what I was saying before. I saw somebody post that, they're happy to be in XPX so early, that they never got to be into a project so early. And I'm going to let you guys know we're going to go through all the motions, and you guys are all very, very early. You guys all get to say it was underneath $1 million market cap when they were just starting and getting things going. Like, you guys are all a part of that story. Yep. He's doing a great job. Absolutely. Absolutely. Salute to the Troll King. Absolutely, everybody. We got Cat, Duck, Cuck right here. That's what you got right here. 641K market cap, 65K liquidity. Let's see what the chart's looking like, and let's talk about it, everybody. Let's talk about it. Okay. Towards those gains. Koi Koi. Appreciate everybody pulling. We should bring up Koi Koi as well. We'll bring up Koi Koi. You guys have been pulling them nonstop. Oh, this is the first pullback in it. So that's natural, right? Natural pullback. That's going to happen. We actually kind of know about this already. This is going to be that 60 to 80% retracement after that pump. This is actually where smart money should be buying in. Boop, right there, 60%. So bouncing on this line right here is where smart money should be, and then putting it back up to continue, right? That would be the way that thing goes, right? Obviously, you guys see that I'm having fun doing my John Madden thing. So anything can happen, but most likely support down here to turn it back around, which that's anything above the 500K market cap. If it could hold above the 500K market cap, that's really healthy because prior resistance becoming future support. That's healthy for it, okay? So we got 115 people. Let me go ahead and bring up Koi. Let me bring up Koi really quick, everybody. I got it in my TG. That's why. Posted it in the money back. Here we go. 117 people, man. Loving it, man. We're doing our thing over here. Take a peek at this. Okay, still pumping, but still in the overbought. And, you know, Bitcoin can just pump and just say, you know what, we're going to 60K. Boom, cool. I would still wait for that pullback. Get your feet wet. Get your feet wet with the Koi Koi and enter the pond life. I love the way that you put that, man. That's kind of the lingo that you got to have with it, man. And I appreciate the super chat. Helps the algorithm, helps the channel. You know, YouTube loves it. I love it. Everybody loves it. It looks cool in the chat. So I appreciate all the super chats. Makes the channel get pushed out a lot more as well. And I like that type of lingo that you're using. That's the type of lingo you got to keep using with Koi Koi. You guys will see, just stay tapped in. We'll get that play eventually. It'll happen. But this is how sometimes these plays take some time for them to build out. And, you know, a lot of times people just show you the highlight, but I want to show you guys how you have to be patient for your structure. And this is a perfect example of how you can get tested if you want some FOMO. You could have took a trade because it went under the blue one, the 900 or the 99 moving average, and started it right back up. But to me, I've been in that situation so many times that I like it when people go, oh, and that's where I go, oh, yes, you know, because I'm doing the opposite of everybody else. That's what I like to do. When the markets are greedy, I'm being fearful. Right here, to me, I feel like everybody's being greedy and saying, it's back, it's back. So I'm going to wait. I will wait. Let's go ahead and bring up Koi Koi, everybody. 130K market cap. Nice. Having a little pullback. Nothing major. Some consolidation happening right here in this range. Anything above 100K market cap is still very healthy. I've said it before, and I'll say it again, because that's that psychological barrier right there, right? That's the delete of zero. And it's actually down here, but you guys held above that at this like 110 level right here. That's what you guys held on to. So consolidation above these two supports are super nice. Thanks for always showing, supporting the community. Appreciate you, Scotty, man. I appreciate all the super chats. Like I said, that helps this channel grow. And it helps, you know, all of our bags grow and get more exposure. You know, I was reading through all the super chat stuff, and, you know, YouTube loves that stuff, and it helps the algorithm, not just our comments, not just the likes, but, you know, YouTube getting their cut, they get all happy, and they're like, oh, since this person getting super chats, we'll promote the channel more because maybe more people do super chats. And you know how it is. Like a lot of things in life, you gotta pay to play, right? So that's what they do. That's YouTube's version of getting people to pay a little bit, right? Which scalable, sustainable models, I can't even get mad with it. So they know what they're doing. $1 billion algorithm, and that's how they make their money for it. Got 130K market cap. Let's see what you guys got going on X. We got 116 people, you know, live with us today. Always breaking into the triple digits for the most part. Sometimes, yeah, when the markets are really sad, people don't want to pull up. Okay, you guys got a little space going on. Nice. Calling all Koi Koi. Come chill with us in the pond as we chat about Koi Koi, Tron, and the crypto space. Giveaways will be announced. If you're if you are a part of the Koi or the Tron community, feel free to pull up. All right, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Cool. Like what I'm seeing there. Make sure you guys pull up to that. If you guys want to learn more about that, why not pull up to what they got going on? They got a healthy chart. You know, you don't see no people trying to, wreck the chart for the most part. They're consolidating. So they want to build a serious project out, right? When you see it holding pretty strong and, it's already went through its little pullback and now it's just holding strong, they want it to happen, right? So that's nice. Would be nice if you can join, if you would join Moneybags. I'm going to join you guys as TG. I'll join up with you guys and see what you guys got going on up in there. I'll see what's up with you guys. Make sure that you're in XPX. You guys know I don't waste no time to plug XPX, man. It's going to be that moment where you guys going to be like, man, and that's to clear my name. I'm like, I told you guys 1,000 times. I told you guys 1,000. My conscience is going to be clean. I told you guys 1,000 times. So take advantage of that, everybody. Trying to peek at this market, how it's just perfectly tempting everybody, right? To get back in this nice little uptrend. But hey, we just wait. But it shows you how long it takes for me, the style that I'm doing, to take for a nice little uptrend again, and then I'll jump in. You guys will see. And even if it's in the same area before, I just want this to look like this. This is where I like to do my dance, right? Not up here in this overbought section. It's too overbought. I'd rather wait for something like this and it crosses over and I could just boom, ride that wave all the way. And that's a nice trade for me, right? That feels a lot better. But I mean, it hasn't even come back down. You come back over here again. This is a good trade right here. This section right here, it being super oversold, anything up in here would have been a good trade, and then ride from here to there. That's the type of trade that I like. I don't like to get up in here and then something like this happen and I'm stuck up in here. I've been through all the scenarios. That's why I've been through every single scenario that I'm warning you about right now. Nice. I appreciate it. Yeah, get some XPX, show some support, man. I'm gonna join up in there, man. I'm gonna join up in there. You'll see me up in there. Get some XPX, man. Stake it, make some passive income, join the TG. The vibes are great. We're grinding together, so we shine together. So don't miss out on that. Don't miss out on that, everybody. All right, so let's see what we got. We got this one that was loading. That's doing pretty good. I didn't go to the X page. I'm jumping around a little bit right now. We got 125 people live with us. I didn't go to the X page, and I want to come over here. Okay. Nice. This was 8 hours ago. Nice. Usually after this, I'm giving you guys some alpha right now. When they get listed, it pumps everybody. Okay, I'm just letting you know right now. Now, not financial advice. I don't want to hear nobody being mad at me or nothing like that. Play the cat duck game, earning me lots of cuck. Nice. Yes, it's kid. Scotty, you got your kid playing? Or is this you? I know that's not you wearing these pajamas. I'm messing with you, Scotty. Oh my God. But hey, that's what you got to do. That's what you got to do. That's awesome right there. But this right here tells me that we got a pump coming up, everybody. When things happen, when you get on CMC, you guys get to see a good little pump. CMC brings a little pump, and so does CG, everybody. Okay? So does CG. So make sure you guys pay attention to that. I'm kind of giving you that hint that you could potentially see a pump. This is the pullback, some consolidation, and I suspect that we'll see the pump. It's got CG right here, 8 hours with CMC. So yeah, so they did the CG pump already, which is this one. And then next comes the CMC pump, which usually pumps a lot harder. Do not miss out on that, okay? Very easy play on that, okay? And also, when it does pump, all the cat duck people, cuck, don't fumble the bag and kill the chart right away. Like people need to take profits responsibly. A lot of times people just take profits all crazy, and what happens is you'll wreck the chart. Take just the way that you can get in, like DCA in, DCA out a little bit. This is me DCAing out. Waiting to see if I see a sporadic breakdown, but it's holding pretty strong. It's all good with me. Keep doing your thing, Bitcoin. So we got everybody pulled up. XPX going hard. Everybody's, the markets are seeing some life in them. There's some stuff going on. Bitcoin starting to turn it around. You can see that almost everybody's all positive today. And it's crazy because we're right around these same prices that when we came down from 60 and we got to this, we were all bummed out. But now that we're being grateful not to be down by 53 or 52, 56 and 57 is way better, right? So it's crazy how fast we get over things. Fear and greed index at 41, so it's going up a little bit. Overall crypto market cap 2 trillion. I think the markets are looking pretty good. I would suspect, like me and Next Level Cash said, a little bit more consolidation on the daily chart, but giving you just that one more opportunity before things pump up. And if you notice, we got the red right here. See this red? This is that entry point that I was showing you on those lower time frames before the breakout. So this is kind of that breakout right here. This is the setup for that breakout, everybody. So want you guys to tap in with me at Rico Moneybags. I got some more work to do, setting up some things for everybody, not just XPX, but so to make these spaces a little bit bigger, have some more giveaways for you guys. You guys are going to love what I'm bringing to the table. Share this live stream. Come over here, give XPX a follow. The channel is growing. The X account is growing. The chart is growing. Do not miss out, everybody. Do not miss out. Let me post this again. Join the Moneybags Mansion link down below where you guys can learn how to print every single day for free. No special class, no special this. Just take notes here and there and get in where you guys fit in. All right, we got 136 people live with us. We made it to the hour mark of the show. Stay tuned in. Tomorrow we'll do a little bit early one. Kind of done with all the paperwork side of stuff. Now we're just doing the next phase and see if we can do an earlier stream to get more people in here as well. But I want you guys to stay tapped in. There's going to be some videos coming out later. Stay ready for those videos as well because it could be your project that I'm promoting. So stay tapped in, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys can't do that, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.